Assalamualaikum and a very good day. In this video, we would like to share on the topic of attending teaching and learning with chatbot. We are from UiTM Perak, Campus Tapa. I am Siti Salihah Shaffie. Other group members are Siti Rozani Ismail, Muhammad Fahmi bin Omar Din, Ahmad Fari Najmuddin, Irene Munira Ibrahim, and Anissa Abdul Rahman. When we have been hit by COVID-19, the rise of virtual technologies widened to capture the disengagement of conventional teaching and learning to online teaching and learning. This is the effort to keep students on track and complete the learning that they should have been completed. In order to get the student at any time and any place during pandemic, there are numbers of innovation created to assist students and lecturers in learning and teaching process. Chatbot is one of it. Chatbot is a software that stimulated human-like conversations with users via text messages on chat. It can provide answers based on the key tasks given by the users. In computer science program, the programming course becomes the subject matter that need to be concerned. Programming is a course that many beginning students find it difficult to understand the inside of building the code. Specifically, this project proposed to help students in PHP programming inquiry. PHP is a scripting language which is able to allow developers to construct logic into the development of web page and able to handle data written from the web browser. Other significance are the nature of the course itself, programming. Students need to explore more about the coding. Students required to understand the insight of building the code. Tutor receive high numbers of inquiries and delay responses from the tutor. And the last one is mismatch learning time between students and tutor. What is chatbot? Chat means talk and bot is a short name for robot. Chatbot is a software that stimulated human-like conversations with users via text messages on chat. It can provide answers based on the key tasks given by the users. It is a computer program that communicates in a normal conversational way with users on a certain subject, in particularly through text and voice. Where it has been implemented, there are numbers of fields that have implemented the usage of chatbot. The first one is one of them is university admission using a question answering system, which is sequence to sequence model. The second one is measuring system encounter satisfaction with customer service. Third one is name entity recognition for question answering. Next is assisting customers in retailing from the beginning of ordering and paying for it. In medical institution has been used chatbot in assisting billing, insurance, appointment booking, and analyzing patients' questions. And also, not to forget, in education, chatbot assists students with courses in order students can receive immediate responses. In order to develop the chatbot, there are three main software that need to be used. The first one is Python 3.8 to import and load the data file, pre-process data, create training and testing data, build the model, and predict responses. Second software is Microsoft Excel. It's used to store data of chatbot, the question and answer, and it is well situated to be stored in Microsoft Excel to keep data like format string other than database. The third one is Telegram. This is the web page to implement the chatbot. Telegram is an instant messaging service in which users can send text messages, photos, videos, stickers, and files of any type. A message sender or a receiver in Telegram can be a user, group, or a channel. A methodology in developing the chatbot. We will start from the data collection where data were processed to prepare for the input pipeline of the sequence to sequence model. Second one is data processing, pre-processing. The third one is building the model. The fourth stage is training the model, and the last one is testing the model. This is the flowchart of the process of our method. We start from the planning, data collection and analysis. design, implementation, and the last one is evaluation. And system architecture, we start from the users, where the user will ask. We start from the users to respond the answer, and then goes to the Telegram chatbot, and then the program where the Python will actually create the program, and then by using the sequence to sequence model, and then the data or the question that being asked will actually be stored in the Excel, and then from the Excel it send back the output, and then we train and test the data set and goes back to the users. There are three types of software which is needed to develop the chatbot. The first one is Python, and then we have the programming tools Anaconda Python and LTK. And then we have the messaging application, which is the Telegram. And in order to store the data, we use the Microsoft Excel 2019. And the hardware that will be used is the mobile device that has the Android, iOS, or Windows 10. This is the figure showed is the how the chatbot responds to the answers. Let's say open file, and then you will send back the programming and what is prime number, the question asked, and the chatbot will actually respond to the question asked. And then that's it from our project. Thank you.